Alrighty guys, dodging stuff back here really quick. We're still on the lease. This will be like part 2. So this is an old International, we think. Just drove it up and they parked it. Good look at that. I think maybe I can get in here. Yeah, it's an old International. That's cool looking. I do not know much about these International trucks. Daggum. She's all overgrown and bad. She's pretty cool though. I love finding old stuff like this. It's pretty neat. That's a drop off. Get you guys a good look at that there. That's cool looking. P, it's an International, alright, that's cool. So, yeah, old International oil truck. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye.